A Snickerdoodle for everyone. Traditional, healthy, and gluten-free recipes. There's nothing quite like the warmth and togetherness that baking brings. As my children grow older, our kitchen becomes into more than just a cooking place. It is a place for laughing, learning, and love. Our current obsession? Snickerdoodles. We love these cinnamon sugar-coated cookies. I'm thrilled to share with you our recipe in several variations. Here are the ingredients for making Snickerdoodles: 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter, I prefer salted, 2 cups of white sugar, divided, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Here are the instructions on how to make Snickerdoodles. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Put aside. 3. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and 1.5 cups of sugar until pale yellow and fluffy, usually about 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Mix in the eggs one at a time. 5. Gradually add the flour mixture to the creamed mixture, about 1/2 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. 6. In a separate small bowl, combine the remaining 1/2 cup of sugar with the cinnamon. 7. Shape the dough into golf ball-sized balls and roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture. 8. Place the balls 3 inches apart on an ungreased baking sheet. And for the last step, bake for 9 to 10 minutes, or until the cookies are set, but not too hard. Here are the nutrition facts for Snickerdoodle cookies. 140 calories, 6 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of protein, 12 grams of sugar, and 85 milligrams of sodium. Snickerdoodles are a beloved classic, but even the classics can benefit from a little creativity. Exploring different Snickerdoodle variations can add an exciting twist to your baking repertoire. Before we move on, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for future updates about living a big life on a little budget. Check out the full details of these traditional, healthy, and gluten-free Snickerdoodles recipes on our website, and we'll keep you posted on new ones. The link is in the description. Here are some delightful ways to elevate the traditional Snickerdoodles recipe, offering flavors and textures to suit a variety of tastes. For those looking to add a healthier twist, substituting half of the all-purpose flour with whole wheat flour is a great option. This not only brings a subtle nutty flavor, but also complements the cinnamon beautifully, creating a cookie that's both delicious and slightly more nutritious. If you're a fan of added textures, consider incorporating finely chopped nuts like pecans or walnuts into the dough. This simple modification adds an enjoyable crunch and a touch of richness, transforming the classic Snickerdoodle into a nutty delight. For those with gluten sensitivities or preferences, a gluten-free Snickerdoodle variation is easily achievable. Substitute the all-purpose flour with a gluten-free flour blend. Be sure to choose a blend that's designed for baking and includes xanthan gum, which helps to mimic the texture and elasticity of gluten. This gluten-free variation ensures that everyone can enjoy the delightful experience of a freshly baked Snickerdoodles without any dietary concerns. For a fusion of favorites, incorporating a cup of mini chocolate chips into the dough offers a wonderful combination. This variation marries the traditional Snickerdoodles with the universal appeal of chocolate chip cookies, resulting in a treat that's doubly delightful. If you're inclined towards a more refreshing and zesty flavor, adding the zest of 1 lemon to the dough can introduce a new, vibrant dimension to your Snickerdoodles. Each of these variations provides a unique way to enjoy the classic Snickerdoodles. By trying these ideas, you can discover a new family favorite or create a special signature cookie that's sure to stand out. Preserving the magic, our secrets to long-lasting Snickerdoodles. The key to enjoying our Snickerdoodles longer is proper storage. We use airtight containers, often with a personal touch like a ribbon or a handwritten label, making the experience of reaching for a cookie even more special. On a particularly productive baking day, we decided to freeze some dough balls for future use. It works well. Now, we usually have a batch ready in the freezer, perfect for unexpected guests or spontaneous baking sessions. The frozen cookie dough balls are also delicious. My secret to keeping cookies soft is to throw a slice of bread in the cookie container. It's a simple yet magical solution. Baking Snickerdoodles with my children has taught me the importance of cherishing simple moments and embracing creativity. I hope that by sharing our recipe and stories, you too can create beautiful memories in your kitchen. And there you have it, everything we know about Snickerdoodles. Please like and share this video with your loved ones who enjoy baking, and please leave a comment with your variations. See you on the next one.